Hey everyone, Sarah here from Get Feedback. Welcome to another episode of Simplifying CX. If you're new to this channel, this series is all about providing you with straightforward answers to the hardest CX challenges that you're facing. If this sounds relevant to you, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to go over the Customer Satisfaction Score, also known as CSAT, which is one of the most popular customer loyalty metrics. First, I'm going to explain to you why CSAT is important. Then I'm going to explain to you how to calculate it, and then I'll go over how to use this metric in your customer experience program. CSAT is a customer loyalty metric used by companies to gauge how satisfied a customer is with a popular interaction or overall experience. This metric goes hand in hand with great customer experience. In fact, satisfaction goes a long way. Just a 10% increase in a company's CSAT score could lead to a 12% increase in trust from customers. Also, satisfied customers are more likely to upgrade or add services and are less likely to cancel them. Okay, so how do you measure CSAT? The customer satisfaction score is assessed by asking customers to rate their overall satisfaction with a specific product, service, or a specific interaction using a 5-point scale, 1 being very unsatisfied and 5 being very satisfied. The metric is looking specifically at the percentage of happy customers, which is why when you calculate the CSAT score, you only take into consideration the 4 to 5 ratings. You calculate the CSAT percentage by adding up the total numbers of 4 and 5 responses, dividing that by the total number of responses, and then multiplying that by 100. So for example, if you have a CSAT score of 80%, that means that 80% of the customers who responded to your survey are very satisfied. If you're using CSAT already and you're not sure how you compare to your peers, a good resource is the American Customer Satisfaction Index. According to the index, the current overall U.S. customer satisfaction score is 76.5%. But keep in mind that the benchmark will vary by industry, so I recommend going onto their website for the latest information. Customer satisfaction score is both a relationship metric and a touchpoint metric. It's a relationship metric in the sense that it can be used to evaluate the overall customer relationship and end-to-end experience. And as a touchpoint metric, it can be used to capture feedback after individual customer interactions with different points of the customer journey. For instance, you should use a CSAT survey to measure the experience during the beginning of the customer journey, which includes both the discovery and the explore stage. Here, your customer is deep into the research phase, trying to learn about your brand and comparing it with others like it. So for example, you could ask how satisfied they were with the ability to find answers to their questions on your product page. It's also great for evaluating the overall experience during the purchasing stage, especially for B2B companies, as well as for measuring the performance and quality of a product or service and the satisfaction of a complex support need. In summary, the customer satisfaction score should be used to measure both the end-to-end experience for a customer, as well as their experience with a specific interaction or event. For a complete guide on how to use the CSAT metric, check out the guide that we've linked to in the description section of this video. And if there's a topic that you want us to cover, please tell us in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel now so you never miss a video that simplifies CX for you. Until next time.